Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode with me, Frank. You're watching the Frank in the Forest YouTube channel. I just got to camp and it is beautiful. Man. Yeah, I just got to camp. My brother's gonna be joining along here today with me soon. Yeah, today we're gonna be here at this beautiful little camp and brought some food with me. We're gonna cook that up. There's a river right down the hill from here, so tomorrow there's actually like a waterfall hike not too far from here, so I'm definitely gonna do that. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And there's like no one here. It's wild to me how often I come to these campgrounds here in Montana and they're like, no one here. Maybe it's just not peak camping season here yet. It is still the early May. That could be part of it. I got my brother with me. He finally decided to show up and do some camping and stuff. He just walked off. He went to the bathroom over there. Look, we actually have a bathroom. It's like living in luxury over here, honestly. Yeah, so we just decided to stay in this little crevice of this mountain. I mean, it's crazy beautiful out here. There's like this little trail right up the road from here that we're gonna walk up to. It goes to a waterfall, which looked absolutely beautiful. And yeah, we're just gonna kind of hang out here. I brought some steaks with me. I'm gonna make some Philly cheesesteaks for dinner. I'm about to get some French toast started for breakfast. So for today, we're just gonna be making a little French toast with some cinnamon on it. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm gonna use this coconut oil as like a base oil for my French toast. Alright, those look done to me. Don't have any butter right now, so we'll just go straight to syrup. I bet honey would be good on this. What do you guys think's better? Let me know in the comments. Pancakes, waffles, or French toast? I'm curious to what you guys gotta say about that. But let's try this. I'm getting hungry. I think I'm gonna skip out on the coffee. It's already starting to get pretty warm up here, so I'm gonna drink some milk. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here, eat this, wait for my brother to get back, and see you guys here in a little bit. All right, guys, we got our bags packed. We're ready to hit the trail. Trail's just right around the corner up here. Made it to the trailhead. All right, guys, here is the offshoot for Big Timber Creek Falls right here. not too much further down the road. We're just gonna go that way, check out the falls, and then we're gonna continue on for about 3 miles, a little less, but about 3 miles up to the Blue Lakes. We're gonna check that out. It's so beautiful out here. It's crazy. It's like there's like no one here too. I don't understand. It's amazing. Guys, we made it to the falls. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go down and get a better look at it. So hop down this. It is rumbling good. Alright guys, we spent about 20 minutes here. We're gonna keep walking. We got quite a journey today ahead of us. 3 miles there and 3 miles back, so we really got to keep going. It's already past noon, so we don't have a whole lot of time. Here's the top of the waterfall. That's pretty cool. Didn't really expect to see that. It's like an unofficial trail down here. That's sick. Just like the view with the mountain back there, it's insane. Guys, new peak alert. There's 2. Awesome, that's sick. I think there's a 3rd peak right there that I haven't seen yet too. So I'm not 100% sure about this, but I do believe that's Big Timber Mountain right there. And then behind it is Crazy Peak and the Crazy Mountains stuff, which is actually the highest, or it's actually the most prominent peak in Montana, which I do plan on hiking this year. Just letting some more snow melt away, but I will be hiking it this year, and I'll be hiking a lot more mountains this year. So if you like that kind of stuff, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'm still pretty new to YouTube, so you know, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. I'm right now on pace to not do that, but if I don't hit 1,000, then I'll have to hit 1,000 next year. But yeah, that peak, cool. There's like an old bridge back there. It's pretty cool. What a fun trail. Guys, we've been walking through this like really deep snow up here. It's kind of treacherous, honestly. Watch, I'm probably gonna walk through here and sink a bunch. Yeah, it leaves like really deep footprints in the snow. Well, we've been walking for about 2 miles now. I imagine we're getting really close to the lake. But stop here at this beautiful little stream, take a break for a second. That's a little creek over there. This is sick, man. Look at the iron in this water. Look at what orange down in the water. It's either like some kind of organism or iron. I thought iron at first, but the closer I look at it, I think it's actually some kind of bacteria or something like that. Just check the map. We're over halfway there. Thought we might have been a little bit closer than what we were, but we are getting close. Well guys, we made it pretty far. We're in a 1/4 mile away, within at least. So we are really close. We have been just trekking through this deep snow. It's getting to my brother. It's like you take a step, you fall down to your knee, you take another step, you're down to your ankle, and you walk a little bit on ice, and the next thing you know, you fall straight through again. Whew. It has been treacherous, but I love seeing that sign right there. Within a 1/4 mile. Yes. Well guys, it looks pretty unfortunate about this trail. I don't know, it's not looking good. I don't know really how we're supposed to get up that. Man, that really stinks.
Yeah,
I feel like we're so close.
it just seems like a little much, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's unfortunate, but yeah, we're definitely turning around here. It's a beautiful little hike. I really did want to see the lake, but we're not prepared for that. We didn't know it was going to be, you know, feet and feet of snow. Like where the bridge ends right there is where it's supposed to be kind of flat ground, and it's like 20 foot of snow right there. It's crazy. Yeah, so we didn't bring snowshoes or trekking poles or nothing with us, so we're just gonna head back and get some food cooked up for you guys later, probably in the fall or the end of summer. Me and Robert fully plan on hiking that right there. Crazy mountain. We really want to climb this mountain this year, fall into summer, somewhere like that when all the snow's gone.
It's very likely that Crazy Peaks hike will have us do this same hike.
Yeah, so we'll probably come back through here again later in the year, which will probably look completely different. So it'll still be pretty fun. This is a cool trail. Just the snow is too much. Deep snow. All Trails even says this trail's off limits right now, or inaccessible, which it kind of really is. Taking steps and falling knee deep in the snow just kind of gets old. Well guys, made it back to the trailhead. It's unfortunate we didn't go all the way up to the lake, but we did see that awesome waterfall. That was like peak of the hike. But like I was saying, it's just too heavy of snow, really. But still a beautiful day out. Still got time to cook up some dinner for us. Still got quite a few hours. Yeah. Just a little bit further. The hike took it out of me. That was like probably a harder hike than the Green Mountain I did a couple of weeks ago. Just because of all that deep snow. It's like lift your legs extra high to get through it. All right, I'm gonna start off by getting some vegetables chopped up. Got an onion, some banana pepper, some garlic here. Get that stuff chopped, throw it in the pan, and then we'll get our steak chopped up and throw it in the pan too. Those cooked down, and in goes the peppers. In goes the steak. It is a little frozen right now, so it's like kind of discolored a little bit. I bought it a week ago when it was on sale, and I kind of froze it in my freezer. So hopefully that doesn't affect it too badly. I don't think it will, but we'll see. It's almost done. I just gotta chop up a few garlic cloves here, and then we're good to eat it. So this is nice and done, but I want to toast up some bread real quick. Lay it on there for a quick second. Boom, boom. That smells so good. Provolone cheese here. I'm gonna throw a little bit on it. Give this a try. It's pretty good. I'm gonna sit here, finish off this pot of steak. Yeah, hope you guys had fun today. And yeah, let me know, what do you guys prefer? Waffle, pancake, or French toast? I'll let you know in the comments after you guys tell me what your favorite is. But see you guys next week. Hope you enjoyed the hike. Later.